Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. My name is V. In today's video, I'm going to show you many ways that I use different things to create a lip color. Today I'll be using concealer, a lip liner, gloss, and eyeshadow. I'm using the Uma concealer. I already have a little lip gloss on my lips, Makeup Revolution. I have my mirror and we're going to start. So I take the concealer and I put on my lips. Clean up the excess. Then I take a lip liner. It could be brown because if you want a nude lip, which this is already a nude lip, you can take that. If you want to give it a little color to make it ombre, you can use a different color liner. But I'm using brown and I line my lips. You can use a darker concealer or a lighter concealer. I'm using a lighter one so you can see what it looks like, but you can apply the color of the concealer you wish to. I zoom you in so you can see my lips. Again, if you want, you can use any color concealer and a liner and you can make it seamless the way you want it. I like my lip liner to pop, so that's why it's more visible. I'll be back with the next one. I'm keeping you zoomed in. I clean my lips. I'm gonna line it first. This is it lined with the brown lip liner. I am going to use the darker concealer. Like I told you, you can use darker concealer. I'm using LA Girl Pro and I am going to put it on my lips. This is the darker one. You can also go a little darker, like I say, it's your preference. Now I'm going to take clear lip gloss, but now it's a matte look. I'm going to take clear lip gloss and I'm going to put on there to give me that little shine. Now it looks nice and glossy, and then I'll fix it with this. This is my darker concealer, lip gloss, and lip pencil lip application. In the comments, tell me which one you like the best, okay? Next, we just want to keep it simple with an eyeliner and some clear lip gloss. This looks pink or purple to you, but it goes on the lips clear. So we're gonna keep it simple with this one. So lip liner first. And I go a little wider because I want more of the lip liner than the lip gloss. This is what it looks like. Lip line and lip gloss. And then if you think you need to make the color more intense, you go back in with your liner and you just pass it on your lips. Lip liner and lip gloss. Love it. So if you don't have a lipstick, you can create a lip color with many different things. So this is what this video is about, to give you ideas, tips and tricks about how to create a lip color. Okay, the other way that I do lipstick, if I need a color that I don't have or I just want to do something different, I take lip gloss again, clear lip gloss. If you don't want to use clear lip gloss, you can use something with a little shimmer, or you can use something a little darker and then put your color on it. It depends what you're going for. Now that I have the lip gloss on, I am going to use a matte eyeshadow to create a lip color. So if I wanted this purple to be my lip color, I will take the matte and I'll put it like this. And I just go through and pat it in. I want to pat it in first. If you have a lip brush and you want to use a lip brush, go ahead and use your lip brush and fix it. If you want to use your fingers to do that, you can do that. Now that my lip color is on, this is what it looks like. Matte eyeshadow with clear lip gloss, or you can use a different color lip gloss to give it a different depth and different look. And then I will put a lip liner. Then I'll take a lip liner if I want to, and then fix the edges. or just to shape it. And this is what my matte eyeshadow and clear lip gloss lipstick looks like. Be creative with your eyeshadows, your lip glosses, your eyeliners, your lip liners. Be creative. You would never tell this is eyeshadow, that is my lipstick, because you can just rock anything you want. Please, in the description below, let me know if you enjoyed this video and let me know which one is your favorite. I'll do the next one. You're still zoomed in. Now I'm going to use my lip gloss, which I have, a lip brush, and because I want a shimmer lip color, I am going to go back into my eyeshadow palette and pick a color to do my shimmer. My shimmer eyeshadow lipstick color. Are you liking those? Let me know in the comments below. So I did it with the brush and without the brush, because sometimes we are somewhere we don't have a brush, we forget to bring a brush. So use your fingers. You have them, use them. They work the same way. So this is what the shimmer color looks like with lip gloss and eyeshadow shimmer. Be creative with your makeup. Have fun. Be you. And for the person who just don't like any color, you can still rock your lip glosses. I like bold colors sometimes. I like light colors sometimes. And sometimes when I'm just hanging out at home, I'll just put lip gloss on. So be you, be creative, have fun, live life for you, just you. Because if you live life for you, you will be available for others. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I, Simply You Makeup, will see you soon in another video. You are zoomed in so you can see everything. This is it. Rock your stuff, girl. Rock your stuff, boy. Rock your stuff, whoever you are, man and woman, boys and girls. Have fun, create your stuff, be you. And if there's anything today that you think you need to do that fear is standing in your way, take baby steps towards it every single time. You will get ahead. Because if you look where you were yesterday and where you are today, you might be 10 steps ahead. And maybe you might be 2 steps backwards, but don't stay there. I, all zoomed in, is saying bye. See you soon in another video. Let me know in the comments which one you like the best. Or if you don't like any at all, that is okay also. Okay?